नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to my channel VNP Networking Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to understand what is eBGP and how does it work. eBGP stands for External Border Gateway Protocol. It is used to establish BGP neighbor relationship between routers that belongs to different AS. AS means autonomous systems. For example, if router A belongs to AS 10 and router B belongs to AS 20, then the BGP connection formed between them is called eBGP. Now, the main purpose of eBGP is to exchange routing information between different autonomous systems. This is how internet service providers, enterprise, and data centers connect to the wider internet and share routes globally. eBGP uses TCP port 179 for communication, whether it's a eBGP or iBGP. Both versions of BGP use the TCP 179. Before any BGP messages are exchanged, the router must first establish a TCP connection using the TCP three-way handshake process. The TCP handshake includes a SYN, SYNAC, and ACK. We have seen what is SYN, what is SYNAC, and what is ACK in our previous lecture. So these three messages are required to complete the three-way handshake. Once the TCP session is successfully established, the BGP starts exchanging its messages. The first message exchange is the open message. We have seen in our last lecture also, and we have also verified through the TCP dump. The open message contains important information such as AS number, hold down timer, BGP version, and the router ID. After the open message, routers exchange KEEPALIVE messages to maintain the neighbor relationship. Finally, update message are exchanged to advertise the network routes. Whatever the routes you exchange through the network command, that will be exchanged using the update message. These update messages contain routing information like prefix and path attributes. One important point to remember is eBGP neighbors are usually directly connected and the default TTL value for eBGP is 1. That means the neighbor must typically be one hop away unless eBGP multi-hop is configured. So, in summary, eBGP connects routers in different AS, uses TCP port 179, requires a TCP three-way handshake, exchange, open, keep alive, and update messages, and helps network connect to the internet. Wireshark filters. You can use additional Wireshark filters such as a TCP port equal to 179. It will show you all the packets that are exchanged between the BGP routers when they form the BGP session. You can also use the filter BGP type equal to 1. It will show you what are the different parameters that are exchanged while forming the BGP, such as AS number, hold down timer, router ID, BGP version number. And you can have this type 2, type 3, type 4. So this will list what are the routing information. For example, BGP update message. It will show you what are the different networks that are exchanged between the BGP speaking routers. KEEPALIVE is used to maintain the BGP session, and very important about the BGP notification, it is mostly used to notify any BGP related errors. So you can use this kind of filters in a Wireshark tool to understand what are the BGP packets that are exchanged during its formation or while BGP is having some kind of errors. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of eBGP. In our next lecture, we will try to understand eBGP with the help of practical and we will configure a lab in GNS3 network simulator. So thank you for your time and see you in the next lecture.